Hi guys, welcome to the product TikTok Tatiks, not TikTok Tactics. Okay, so this is the product inner side and this is the members area. In this video, I'll show you the product TikTok Tactics, and this is a ebook based product. Like this is a totally ebook product, and also with this product, I will be giving you some huge bonus pack. Like not some huge bonus pack, but a huge bonus pack will be given to you with this product totally free from this website, from this page exactly, and you can click the video description link. You will be redirected to this page and you can get TikTok Tactics and also the huge bonus pack. So before getting into the product, let me just give you a very short description about this product. This thing is all about giving you the TikTok marketing strategies, like how you can make your account healthy, how you can get the free traffic and more traffic, like from the beginning days, what should you do and what should you don't do, what should you don't follow, or what are the things you should implement from the beginning day, and some setting stuffs, and also what are the others, what are the things are done by the people who has like millions of followers. Okay, so in this video I can't show you the product in depth or in detail because I have the ebook which costs near approximately $8, and this is the product. Okay, this is the exact product. This is the ebook, and let me show you the topics only. Like inside the product topic, you will be given the intro, and the next topic is TikTok the biggest opportunity of 2021? Do I need a niche TikTok algorithm? And also content creation, keep your account healthy. So these 6 topics will be detailedly discussed inside this tool, inside this pack. Sorry, let me correct myself, inside this ebook. Okay, so let me just show you a faster like this is a 10 pages. There are 10 pages inside this ebook. This is a Google Doc, and also these are the stuffs. Like I am doing pretty much faster, let me do it a bit slower. So these are the stuffs inside it, and these are the things. So let me show you some additional stuffs. Like inside contents given, it has got 90% because this is an ebook product. There is no other reason to give it a lesser rating. The only reason is this is an ebook. People are more prone to watch videos these days. If you are okay with ebook, then this should be this thing will be this for you the rating should be higher. Okay, so what I really mean to say that if you are okay with ebook, then it will be good for you. This product will be really suitable for you. And also it seems to me that the real knowledge or the detailed knowledge is totally given inside any book or any ebook, and the videos are the gist or the summarization form of the book. Okay, I really believe it. And inside value for money 96, because this is a very cheap tool and the knowledges are really valuable. And also market hits 87, and overall it has got 9 out of 10, and it is a good rating. Okay, obviously good rating. And also this is the price. The launch date is 6 AM CST. This is the first product I have ever made which is maintaining the Central Standard Time. Usually I go through the products previously who were following the EST, Eastern Standard Time, but this is launching at 6 AM CST, the Canada time. I think the Canada time, and 6 AM, very morning, and also early morning, very early morning. And also you will be secured by 30 days, no satisfaction money back guarantee. And these are the descriptions about this product. And let me show you now my bonuses. This is a sales funnel. You can go through it, you can purchase any upsells, and you can ask for more bonuses from this from my Facebook page. Okay, so these are the upsells, and let me show you my bonuses. So this is the free bonus, and these are the main bonus. Like inside the free bonus, you will be given, you can ask me anything from my softmemeware page, Facebook page. You can ask me anything about make money online. Okay, just stick to the topic make money online, and I will be obviously answering you if I know the answer, and if I don't know the answer, I will also be answering you that I don't know the answer, and maybe I will do some research and then I will get back to you. if I don't know the answer. Okay, so these are the bonuses, these are the main bonuses, like the animes, ready-made niche blogs, 100 more than 100 blogs, ready-made will be given to you, pro matrix pro, apps by pro, and there are so many stuffs. So like for some of them there are some images, and for some of them there is a short description also. And let me show you, after 50 there is a mega bonus thing. Like after 50 I was really tired, and it will be annoying for you also to see this kind of images and descriptions, like 300 more stuffs. Okay, that is why I have followed another way. I have put here 300 plus products as mega bonus. So literally you will be given 50 plus 300, like 350 of bonus, 350 of stuffs, like softwares, images, music tracks, PDF, plugins, totally free. So after purchasing the product, don't forget to click on this button, access affiliate bonus. In via this button you will be given the bonuses. So I think I have cleared you the product. You can check out the product by clicking this. So I'm signing out for the video. I'm wrapping up the video. So bye bye.